Alright guys, good morning and welcome back. Right, so in today's review, we are going to talk about um, Brother Machine or the Zigzag Machine. Now, this brother has different brands, right? They have different models of machines they have produced. Now, these machines are highly sophisticated, and I think they own one of the best products in the whole world. I said they own one of the best products in the whole world. So Brother is a company that produces machines both for stress sewing, zigzag, industrial, in monogram. They have high-end machines, and I think they also have other sewing accessories that are Brother, like the scissors, a lot of products or equipment that are Brother. So we are going to talk about the Brother Zigzag Machine today. So later on, we'll talk about the monogram and the industrial machine. So this video will go a long way to teach you how to do a zigzag and also how to make use of the machine. And then this video as well will tend to expose you to the uses of this zigzag machine, because most people are not aware how to use this particular type of machines. Now, bear in mind that zigzag machines could come in different products and brands. It could come in new home, it could come in singer, butterfly, it could come in two lion. Different product has zigzag. So zigzag is the ability of the machine to do a zigzag stitch, right? It's called zigzag. So I will show you the machine as we progress. So try to watch the video to the end and make sure you learn. And this machine is multi-purpose. It can help you to do your normal stretch sewing. It can also help you to do your buttonholes. It can help you as well to do your button packing. I will show you all this in this video. So watch to the very end. It will also help you to do some stylish designing, which they call thread work. So let us get down to the main video proper. Alright guys, so now this is the brother we have. I'll show you two types of brothers in that machine. So this is the one we're going to use mainly to learn. So as you can see, the name here is called brother. Alright, so this is one of the best machines you can ever lay your hands on. So this is called a zigzag machine. Why is it called a zigzag machine? It's because it has a zigzag foot. If you look at the foot here, the foot is not a singular foot. It has a wide opening here, right? And as well, it has the adjustable zigzag points and the machine wheel stage, right? So this is how the machine looks like. So we're going to first learn how to use it to thread a straight line. So if you want to do a straight line, you have to put this to zero, or something similar to this to zero. If you have another branch, then you have to use here until it gets to the number of the width of the stitch you want. If you want to use no stitch, you get to 4. If you want to have it to be a normal stitch, you get to 3. Then you tight it there, so that even if you go up and down, it doesn't exceed that 3. And this will not be moving on its own. So here we have my thread. I will thread it now. And of course, we have my my reel. So I'll coil the reel around the body like this. I will coil it all through this way and then place it here. It has a bobbin wire here, and then I will push this to this very point. Right, look at how it's rolling, right? So if you move in that direction, so once you know enough thread, make sure that your threading, your railing is as tight as possible. So once you know to a very um, nice quantity of thread you want, then I'm okay with this. But really must be smooth as possible. Don't allow your reel to be loose. It will make your stitching to be bad. Then after which you bring your shuttle this way, place the thread inwards, drag it to this very point and place it here. This is how to put your reel inside your shuttle, right? And then place it inside, and then you couple it. Then in threading, thread the machine, pass the machine thread on this point here. If you are putting the thread, then pass it here this way, and then pass it at this point as well, this way, and then you also pass it at this point. Make sure it clicks inwards. Pass it here. This should be here. So once it clicks in that form, then pass it at this level here. Take it out and then bring it in. Pass it here, and then pass it as well at the hook at the machine middle. And then fix it at your needle point this way. And then once you have fixed it there, the next thing to do now is to tuck it in and then draw the thread underneath out. So you have got out the thread, and of course you bring your rough pieces first. Test it before you start sewing on the main fabric. Then make sure when testing your thread, don't use a singular fabric this way. You have to double fold. You have to fold right into two. That is how you should have your fabric for testing. It should not be double. It can't be single, right? Then once you have gotten to that stage, then for thread, you pedal the machine. And make sure as well you must have learned how to pedal machine before you go about your stuff, right? So you match it all through, you see. So look at the threading. This is the threading I have done. You see how smooth the threading is, right? So now to do the buttonhole, let me set it for you. Let me show you how to set it. Now in buttonhole making, you have to adjust this to like the point two, right? Indicator, then tighten it at that point so that it doesn't shift. Then take this to 0 or 0.5, then tighten it there. Wait to have a little movement to 1. So tighten it at that point, that way. 0.5 for 1. So once you have gotten to that stage, you have tightened it there, and then you will use your particular button you want to fix and mark a chalk at the edge of those buttons, right? Mark a chalk at the front and the back of the button to know the button width. After you have done that, then you stitch, I have to tighten this again. So let me go high in it. So I think 0.25. So each buttonhole should not be more than a quarter, right? Then once you have gotten to that stage, then you also mark it, make sure that it's very close to each other, right? It won't be close to each other. So once you have done that, now look at the buttonhole size I have made. Look at it, let me show you. So this is the buttonhole I have made now. Look at how beautiful it is. So this helps you for both straight sewing and buttonhole. And then let me show you guys how to also use it to fix your buttons on your shirts. Alright, so now if you want to fix button with your Zigzag machine, this is the button I have. Let me show you how to fix this. Then like I said, if you want to do a perfect buttonhole, please make sure you use that same button. The same button you want to fix on that shirt, or know the size, right? Know the size of that same button. Place it on that fabric, like I said, mark chalk at the back this way, and also mark in front. So this will give you the buttonhole length you are looking for. You understand? Then after you have done that, then you now create buttonhole on that line so that the buttonhole will not be too big. Because what most people do have issues on is creating a buttonhole that will suit the shirts they are making. So once you create buttonhole on that line, as I will show you now. Alright, so now once you have created a buttonhole on that spot, look at it. I've done my buttonhole there. Right, so it's very exposed enough. Then in cutting it, they have what they call seam ripper. That's the best way to use your cutting. If you don't have it, use your scissors to cut from the tip this way. But once you cut from the tip that way, then you cut at the midpoint, carefully cut at the middle. And once you have created that hole, this is how it looks like, right? Then in order to fix this button on the shirt, of course you will mark the corresponding position, right? Then place it firmly. Then you have to adjust your machine total size. Adjust this here to 4. Adjust to 4 this way, and then take it to 0. So it becomes constant. Then place it underneath this way, and then place underneath this way, and then carefully click the machine. Like, look at the bottom, it's not stitched, right? So place it this way, and then carefully click the machine, and then target the needle movement to enter the first hole and the second hole. Once it enters 2 or 3 times, then match the pedal. Make sure that the lever is at 0. The pedal, right? Pedal like few steps or few pedaling, then you bring it out. So this is how to fix your button with a machine. So once you do it as later as possible, it's stronger than the one you use your hand. Look at it. You see, right? It's so it's so nice. Look at it, right? It's so nice. So this is the button. So if I'm to button here now, I will just I will just take it this way and then take it in this way, take it this way, and then I will button. Look at it. So by so doing, the button hole will not be too wide for this particular button. If you try the shell, it cannot open at ease, except you button properly. Alright, so I hope this video has shown you how to use the Brother Machine. Let me also show you another brand of the Brother. So now this is also another Brother Machine. It's called Brother 999, right? Now it's called Full Zigzag. Right? This is a switch weight position and the Brother Full Zigzag Machine. So this also does the buttonhole, like I showed you in the other one. So this is the machine I use to manually do my buttonholes. Thank you guys for watching. I do hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment and like, and share your questions and if you got value from this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.